But I'm very happy with what we've got. We had to get 3 players out and bring 3 players in, which is what we've done. And we're happy. We're happy with how we're set up for the rest of the season.
Take nothing away from how good we've been. Hibs have been very, very poor, and we've made them pay.
Bolton again, Mandra on the target under the aerial. Go on, trying to probing the right to probing the left.
Oh, that's too comfortable for
Malida. And the body's able to do enough. Ball. Both sides still trying to find a little bit of rhythm. Long from the Scotland keeper. Kwon, big challenge on Marcondes. Back underway from that throw in. Kwon, all the space in the centre of the park to pick this one out. And Beta and looking for the return ball from Malida. Oh, that's looking for Scott, but it's gone behind. Kwon's turn to kill, to get complacent. Turn a comfortable 2-0 into a shake. Scott, Kwon through the. Kwon and Elvis combine again. Gives in goal. Challenge from Tanser. Kwon to hurry up and play this one away from trouble. There's Venta breathing all around the corner, comfortable for. Got to say, challenge from Chanty's back on. Mandron, I do think I understand the frustration. The bouncer has an absolutely torrid time trying to say.